Welcome! In front of me I have TICWATCH Pro S, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. First thing we need to do is to turn off our watch. To do it, we need to press and hold the upper button, wait until the power menu appears on the screen, and then tap on the power off option to turn off our watch. After the watch turns off, we need to press and hold the upper button and the lower button together and keep holding them until we see the bootloader on the screen. So keep holding the buttons. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the bootloader on the screen, and that's how it looks like. And to move through this menu, because we can scroll through the options, use the lower button. By pressing the lower button, you can scroll through the list of options. Now, select the option called recovery menu, or recovery mode rather, my bad. And then press the upper button to confirm. Once you see no command on the screen, you will need to basically press the upper button, press and hold it, and then swipe up on the screen. So press and hold the button and swipe up on the screen, and you will enter the recovery menu. You can scroll through this menu by swiping up and down on the screen. It's a bit awkward though. It doesn't work that well. It's not very responsive, I would say. But you can also use the lower button to scroll down, only down with the button, because the upper button is confirmation button. So if you select something, you can confirm by pressing the upper button. You can also confirm by swiping left or right on the screen. Now, let's scroll down by either swiping on the screen or pressing the lower button and select the option called wipe data / factory reset. And after you select this option, you can swipe left or right on the screen or press the upper button, then select yes and press the upper button or swipe left and right on the screen. Wait until the wiping process is complete, and after it's done, select the Reboot System Now option, and again swipe left or right or press the upper button to confirm. And now let's wait until the watch is done rebooting and resetting, because I believe it's also gonna be resetting in the meantime. And once you see this welcome message or tap to begin, I believe it says, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the recovery menu. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.